If you want the pins to be on the left and on the right side of the symbol, you have to change the alignment as follows. First, switch off your orthogonal mode and align the placeholder for the reference name to bottom left. Now select the reference placeholder again and move it to the upper left corner of the symbol. We also need to rearrange the text container. So right-click on the text container, choose Properties, and in General, set the alignment to top left. Now select the context container again and move it to the bottom left corner of the symbol. Now set your pins to the left and to the right side. And again, use the pin manager at the bottom of the screen to set the positions of the labels. For number X at the left side pins of the symbol, choose 0.5. For number epsilon, minus 0.5. And for number alignment, baseline left. For name X on the left side, choose 0.5, name epsilon 0, and name alignment top left. Again, you can copy with string Z and paste with string V. And now for the right side pins, choose number X minus 0.5, number epsilon minus 0.5, number alignment baseline right, name X minus 0.5, name epsilon 0, and name alignment top right. And again, copy and paste your entries. And also give the pin names. Also here set the insert point to the first pin, and you're now able to save your symbol as a very standard symbol. For Save As and in the cproof EE library,